great example of one of the specimens here in Berkeley's collection is this American lion skull, which is one of the large predators that existed 10 to 40,000 years ago in North America and is typical of one of the large predators we see at the tar seeps at Rancho La Brea.
I'm holding the spine and rib cage of a fossil coyote. This is the same species that today is alive in California, but this is an example of one from 20,000 years ago. This is a species that has been able to survive and thrive even after the impact of humans and urbanization here in California.
So this is a drawer of dire wolf jaw bones from Rancho La Brea that I've been using for part of my research. These were stored in the Campanile on the mezzanine level, and they were stored in old cabinets that we got from the Museum of Vertebrate Zoology, which were designed to be airtight, which is great for preserving like modern actual bone. But it's not great for fossils because since it's airtight, it also traps in moisture, and we ended up with small amounts of mold starting to grow on the surface of these. So when I pulled them out, I had to gently clean off the mold, and then they've all spent probably a total of 3 hours outside in the noonday sun just getting blasted with UV radiation to kill off the mold.